Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I am unbagging IPSY, the Glam Bag, the normal subscription, for June. Here, show us your colors. This is their little insert. Stock up for summer, so they do sales on their website. So IPSY is a monthly subscription. You get 5 sample size items and a makeup bag for like 12 bucks a month, but a lot of times they'll put a regular size item or 2 in there, so it's kind of nice because then you're getting your money's worth and then some. With the full-size products, you get one of these, tells you what's in them, and they do have a shop every now and again that opens up where you can buy things at a discount, which actually I think makes the subscription worthwhile. I've got like Nomad palettes before, just a whole bunch. I mean, they have their sample stuff too, their sample size or deluxe sample size too for like $3 each, something like that. So you can try products. I've gotten a lot of hair products from there. So I think for me, it's well worth it because I do like to shop those sales. And also, I mean, I get stuff that I like too. So it makes me happy. Yeah, here's all the stuff in here, but I'm not going to show that because we're going to be surprised together. So first of all, here's the makeup bag. It's so cute. Look, it's a little watermelon and it's yellow. I mean, the zipper's yellow, but the bag itself is pink. It is mesh, so I can kind of see through it that there's stuff in here. And the first thing is, the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've been wanting to try this. I have a couple things that I use. That's Milk makeup. I have like a mini blush, but it's lasted me so long. I feel like if I ever buy blushes, I'll buy the minis because they really do last a long time. But it's like a deluxe sample size. This will last several times, but it's going to be enough for me to really check it out and see how much I like it. So that makes me happy because I have been wanting to try that. And the next thing in here is Voss Lip Potion, and it is a overnight lip mask. Okay, that also makes me happy. I wear lip balm, lip mask, lip oils all the time, so that's something nice that I will definitely use. And a lot of times you do get full size, you know, like lip balms and that kind of thing, and I always use those all the time and go through them. And then Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil. This is another type of thing that you get. It's like brown here. I'll show you. Oh, that's a terrible line. Is you get full-size eyeliners, which, hey, I am not complaining at all. I definitely use those. The next thing in here is Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser from Sand and Sky. And you get, cleansers are always nice to have. And the last thing in here, nice, it's Nomad from the Iceland Fire and Ice, which I have that palette because my husband gifted that to me for some holiday, Christmas maybe. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is a pretty one. In Gallows Lava. So that's pretty. I don't know if you can really see it. It's like a mossy green and brassy brown kind of mixed color, and it is very sparkly. And I don't want to use this at all because I want to pass this. I already have this color, and I would like to pass this on to a friend because this is gorgeous. It's one of my favorite colors too, like for eyeshadow, like the mossy brown. There was one that I was like hoarding for years, not wanting to use, and you just can't do that. You got to use your stuff while it's good. But anyway, nice color, nice. Nomad has one of the best formulas. It's like smooth, it's soft, creamy. I just can't say enough. They're one of my favorite makeup brands right now. So, yeah. I'm pretty happy. I'm happy with this month's selection. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.